So I want to read this poem that Scott Morris wrote and shared with our group, and I have shared it with many people. So it's a short poem. Let me read this poem. It goes as follows. I have ALS, and I am grateful. I am grateful to retire early to be with my family. I am grateful I have family and friends that are so supportive and hopeful. I am grateful I can still walk and get around. When that is gone, I am grateful I can still use my hands to feed myself. When that is gone, I am grateful I can still breathe and laugh and feel. When that is gone, I am grateful I had a wonderful life. And when that is gone, Namu Amida Butsu.
Wow.
See, for him, Namu Amida Butsu is not just a word. It's not just a recitation. See, it's profound truth. It's profound truth. And even when his life is gone, there is Namu Amida Butsu. See, so that's what we mean by experiencing Buddhism at the truth level. Truth level.
Wow. Of course, we are not Scots, so we cannot really understand the meaning, but at least we can get a taste of it. So
right. So for him, Namu Amida Butsu helped to resolve his life and death. See, he knew it was inevitable that he was going to die of ALS, and so sad, so tragic. But in experiencing Namu Amida Butsu as this deep truth, see, he touches something beyond life and death. He touches the timeless. He transcends life and death in this one word of Namu Amida Butsu. So that's what we mean by going from practical to truth level. He doesn't ask, will Namu Amida Butsu save me from ALS? No. See, he doesn't expect that from Namu Amida Butsu, but he experiences it, receives it as a profound truth.
Yes, it's indeed a profound truth. Yes, we learned about Namu Amida Butsu from different people. And we think, okay, we understand the meaning, or okay, this is one of the things that Jodo Shinshu people recite or whatever, right?
Yes.
But
yes.
Namu Amida Butsu cannot be explained by language. I mean, Namu Amida Butsu, it's a language, of course, but I hope you know what I mean. It's just wow, I've never heard of Namu Amida Butsu this deep.
Yes. So, as a minister, I have to try to explain Namu Amida Butsu to, especially a new person. What is it that you're saying in our services? And we can give a basic explanation, but I always tell that person, but the real meaning of Namu Amida Butsu, you have to find in your own life. So you have to find the deepest meaning of it in your own life, through your life experience, through your own seeking and listening to the teachings.
Wonderful. Wow.
Yeah, he was a wonderful person, and his poem teaches so many other people.
So he's still around, or he?
No, so he passed away some years ago. From the time he got ALS, I think he lived about 10 years. Some people, they only live a short amount of time, maybe a couple years. Some people live maybe up to 20 years, but there's no cure. And if you can live 10 or 20 years after being diagnosed with ALS, you're quite fortunate.
Wow, what an honorable man.
Yes.
So much respect.
Yeah.